CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this medal that I got from the Conqueror events. So this is a trail that I took. It's called the Jesus Trail Virtual Challenge. And I finished the trail and they sent me this medal, which is very nice. I've only looked at it once. Let's take a peek again. Virtually anything is possible. So here is the case, a little tape there, and here's the medal. Super nice. Let's look at the inside of the box first. So you can see there's congratulations on completing your Conqueror challenge. Those are the people, and they have a lot of trails. I just tried this Jesus trail because I like the medal. It'll take you through like Israel, and yeah, there's some like information about the trail, like the actual places, and this is called the Jesus Trail. So I got the details. It's very intricate. There's a tree. There you go. It sprinted 39 miles and 63 kilometers is the distance. And look at the back. It's got a really nice peacock. And it's hard to see, but it's actually sparkling. And it is a little bit heavy. And so that's a very nice medal. And you can just make it like a collection if you want to do it. They do sell them in bundles as well if you want to like purchase like 3 trails at a time. There's a lot of many nice places all over the world. There's plenty of many places that you can pick, and even like some fictional places like some movies like The Hobbit. There's some fictional places that you can pick as well. So my plan next time is to pick like a trail in Japan. But for now, this is our unboxing. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.